need some tools to spread a little love.
Yeah.
Am I right? I got what you need, G.
Word.
About nothing. I got these 22s, 38s, 45s. I got Glocks. I got these, look, I got these texts, Uzis, AKs, huh? How about this sawed off?
I take them all, dog.
How about this super nigga bulletproof vest to relieve your stress?
Rest in peace, Besada. Latter day heydays. Really used to spray K's. Now in my later days, keep a chrome 40 just to match my grades. Still underneath the graphite, heather low jacket. All kind of ratchets with attachments. Metal with plastic. Drum banging like an 808. Used to put the potato on a 38 just to stop the quake. You had when the rump shaking raiders. Slide on niggas with the easy bake oven like it's nothing. End of discussion. Dumping.
What's up, G? What you need? You need some tools to spread a little love? Am I right? I got what you need, G. Don't worry about nothing. I got these 22s, 38s, 45s. I got Glocks. I got these, look, I got these texts, Uzis, AKs, huh? How about this sawed off?
I take them all, dog.
How about this super nigga bulletproof vest